Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on Warn Me About Unsafe Password Storage on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Warn Me About Unsafe Password Storage on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type Windows Security, click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on App and Browser Control. Here you will find Reputation Based Protection Settings. Click on Reputation Based Protection Settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find Phishing Protection. First of all, you need to turn on Phishing Protection, and then you will find here an option Warn me about unsafe password storage. Now it's not selected, just select it, and in user account control click on yes. Warn me about unsafe password storage is turned on or enabled in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.